Hey guys, Anthony here with an updated video on Amazon Prime for students. Amazon Prime is a subscription service which is packed with many benefits for Prime members, some of which you can see here. If you're a student, you can get a 6-month free trial, but there are some limitations in terms of benefits. So in this video, I'm going to cover what you get with your Student Prime membership during the 6-month free trial. One of the main benefits of Prime membership is unlimited free shipping, specifically free one-day and same-day delivery on millions of eligible items. You can also enjoy unlimited free deliveries and exclusive savings on eligible orders with free Grubhub Plus. Prime membership includes free access to Amazon Video, a video-on-demand service which gives you access to thousands of TV shows and movies as well as Amazon originals. Prime Music is another benefit, which gives you free access to millions of popular songs in different genres. It's ad-free music that you can listen anywhere at any time with the Amazon Music mobile app. Prime Gaming is also included in your Prime membership, which gives you access to popular free games, some of which you can see showcased here. Also, as part of Prime Gaming, you get a free Twitch membership to a channel that you want to support. However, during the free trial period, Prime student members only receive a single Twitch channel subscription for a month with their membership. Prime membership also comes with Prime Photos, which provides free unlimited photo storage and up to 5 GB for video on Amazon's safe and secure cloud drive. Yet another benefit of Amazon Prime is Prime Reading, which gives you unlimited access to thousands of ebooks, popular magazines, comics, and audiobooks. Prime students can also buy cheap textbooks and save up to 90% on used textbooks and up to 49% on new textbooks. As an Amazon Prime member, you can shop Prime exclusive deals and get early access to lightning deals. This gives members access to these exclusive deals 30 minutes before regular customers. One of the exclusive benefits of Prime Student is college deals and promotions, which includes top deals for students on electronics, school supplies, and much more. To be eligible for Amazon Prime Student, you need to have an Amazon.com account, be a college student actively enrolled in at least one course at a college in the US, be able to provide proof of enrollment upon request, and have a valid .edu email address. After the 6-month trial membership, you can get Amazon Prime at a 50% discounted price on the annual plan, or get a monthly plan for $7.49. Amazon Prime Student is also available in Canada, though it is not the same as the US membership. You can check the links in the description section to learn more and to sign up for the 6-month free trial. Well, hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.